Hello everyone, welcome to SciSoft Academy. Here we are empowering the education through digital content. So today we are going to see the types of radar communication systems. This is me Mallikarjunan. Without further delay, let's get started. So these are all our today's session outlines. So we are going to see the basic types of radar systems, and then we will see what are monostatic radar systems. Then we'll go ahead with the bistatic radar systems. Then we will finish with then we will see the basic differences between these two radar systems. Okay, let's get started with the monostatic radar systems. So this is the basic block diagram of monostatic radar system. There you can see radar system display is a common system, and then we have transmitter section and receiver section. Then for the transmitting and receiver section, there will be a common connection, that is duplexer. So duplexer contains only a single antenna which takes care of both transmitting signals as well as receiving signals. So this is the basic block diagram of our monostatic radar systems. We'll move on to the bistatic radar system. So as you can see, this is the basic block diagram of bistatic radar system. As the name suggests, this bistatic radar system is going to contain two separate subsystems for transmitter and receiver, and they are going to have their own antenna for transmitting and receiving the signals. So this looks like this is actually a simple system compared to the monostatic radar systems, as there is no complex logics involved to create the separation between transmitting signals and receiving signals. This is the basic block diagram of bistatic radar system. Now we will see some basic differences between monostatic and bistatic radar systems. So as we have already seen, monostatic radar systems contain only a single antenna, whereas bistatic radar systems contain two antennas, one for transmitting and one for receiving. So in monostatic radar systems, the duplexer takes care of the separation between transmitting and receiving signals. In bistatic radar system, there is no need for the duplexer, since the transmitter and the receiver is going to have their own antennas for the signals to be transmitted or received. And since it actually contains only a duplexer system with one single antenna, it requires less space compared to the bistatic radar system. And since we have only a single system which has to take care of both receiving and transmitting signals, it is going to be a complex system in the monostatic radar systems, whereas bistatic is going to be a simple system in the other hand. As we already know, when the complexity of the system increases, the cost of the system also increases. So these are the basic differences between monostatic and bistatic radar system. Do let us know if you have any questions in the comment section, and all the notes and the example sums solved with class notes are uploaded in the cloud. We have shared the link in the description. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in the next one.